I am G.S. Sachdeva. Some thoughts about this time to the prescription of Bhagavad Gita. I always gives to the aspects for Hindu Rashtra views. I have channel of Hindu Rashtra Times and some video on connected with the nature. Now today I am telling you about the ethics things about Bhagavad Gita. In the Indian tradition, the Bhagavad Gita was attributed to the saga Vyas, whose full name was Krishan D. Vapana, also called Ved Vyas. But in the ancient times, the question is when it is written and when it is attributed to the written in printed mode. The Bhagavad Gita was written at some period of between 400 BCE and 200 CE. Likewise, the Vedas, the authorship of the Bhagavad Gita is unclear, but it has been written. On what time it has been written, that I have told you in the main aspects come. What the main things told for the human beings in the Bhagavad Gita written. Bhagavad Gita is always told the persons in the world which you have seen, why the person, why do you worry what you have taken when your birth in this natural world, what you have taken from. When the child is born of one day, means he has not taken from anywhere, and if the person dies, what he has to take from this world. Any valuable items or material things which your eyes have seen, these are unrealistic, untrue. Only the worship of God, worship of nature is purely a good content, right way, right content. This should be in your life. And see, you have not taken from anything. If you are doing business, you are earned so much amount if you have, but if they lose, why you comes in sorrow and take on this heart? Because when the person comes, he has not taken all things you have got, you have taken on this earth firstly, and comes to the nature. Why you tension for the uncaused probability taking in your present? You don't worry about the present, because not the present in your hand, future is not seen by you, only the thoughts are here, and the past has gone. Don't regret for the past, for the working which you have. If the times goes and it will not come, when the time goes, time will be on the way, goes further. If the times go, you will not caught it, remains in your hand. So don't cry. Why you cry for the loss happened to you? You have not taken anything from the first aspects. In the same meaning, what do you bring which you think you have lost? What did you produce which you think it is destroyed. If you produce anything for your business, for the world, for this country, take the example of farmers who cultivates the things, the commodities which is necessary for in the products of eating, but farmers have worked, take some revenues and given to the families for more to go further. But the matter comes, the persons are very anxious for the future. For the Indians also, Europeans are not in favor of, because Europeans, we are optimistic person, we worship to God, but the European countries are not faith on the God. Actually, thoughts are necessary for the human being, and worship is most important aspect of life. Remember every time God, pray God, not demand from God for yourself. You have to, if your mind that nowadays I want to take something from God, you have to make a prayer for the others people, for the whole community, then you will go further. If you demand from the God, God will be happy that you demand God. Every time, every morning, you have to pray God and told that your will be big car, big house, and your persons, your child will be grow further and going to foreigners for education. Don't. Every time you have not pray God for the things, for this materialistic things for yourself. If you demand, you told Dev Shakti that my worship is, I want to adjust, my soul goes to Dev Shakti. You demand from to the Dev Shakti that your soul will be pure, thoughts will be pure, then a man yourself will go further. And after that, soul is the main part of this human body. In the mind is going towards the unethical things. They demand every time, every minutes, every seconds. The thoughts are coming here. Your mind will be definitely that you have told it is in another world. This demands to yourself. Mind demands thoughts, wishes. This go to further. Soul is permanent after your death, because this human body is including basic of 5 elements: water, air, fire, earth and ether. And these all the things prevailing in the whole world which you see, when the person has died, the person comes to these 5 elements and goes to the 5 elements: earth, ether, water, air, fire. The person has gone. The things are, the main conclusion is, if you see You have firstly peace of mind is the necessary things for all the human beings. But you see in the world of these material things, the whole world go with these things, demand these things, collect these things. But you see, these things will not give you peace in mind. Peace in mind is coming from the soul. If your soul is perfect with the thoughts of peace in your mind, a poor person will be the better human being versus in against of the richest person. If you are rich, you don't think that peace of mind will be there. We have seen in the hospital where one millionaire admit with the 4-5 diseases which the doctor says not curable, and the food given to this person will causes to death, but the person 6 months without food he has taken and told, and told one nurse that please give me, sister, 1, 2, 3 chapatis and some foods, dal you have given to me, I will give you 50,000 rupees promptly. But the nurse, which the work is to save the person in hospital, she told that I don't need 50,000. Doctor had advised me that not to give you any food. This prevails poison in your body, so I will not. Then what makes money on that time? The person all in the world you have to see in the face that going with collection of monies, with the all amenities, all luxury things they want. But at last, the person whose are Mahapurush, educated, which ever told that money is nothing for that persons. It is important in your life, but you have collect the monies for small, for the future. Don't think for the future. Bhagavad Gita has told that I will birth all this nature and I will provide all the foods for the living items to every person, either poor or rich person. All persons are the sons of God, which they have assumed to called, and the scene which you have seen, natures with this size. So my conclusion of the Bhagavad Gita correct is, formally I come to the last point, that peace of mind is very necessary for the person, for the whole world. If peace of mind comes to the European countries, which is not at this time, and not for the human beings always collect unmaterialistic things, and collection of white in a greedy place, greedy things, human beings are upset now in the present Kali Yuga. So this is the last ethics which I have told you. In future I have told to many things with the Arthaved, Samved, Jagurved, Rajurved. I will told. Every time I have given to my any materialistic things comes to in my mind, I give for the whole, for the persons to listen. What the person will, I have to give only the thoughts, only my experience, and nature create all the things, and last is nature will destroy all the things. So worship God and be happy every time in a peace, with the peace. Goodbye. I am G.S. Sarideva. I only request you one thing every time in my videos, that you have to listen all the videos given by me and send in your groups, in the religious group, in the historical group, economically, and I always with my nation, with Hindu Rashtra and for Hindus. Goodbye. Om Namo Shivaya.